Thank you. I'm also joined by my dad and my sister, and I have other relatives here. I love them, and I really support. Tonight's gala kicks off a weekend of events dedicated to celebrating an extraordinary group of women and one pretty remarkable gentleman who are helping others in noticeable and creative ways to live lives that are healthier, wealthier, and wiser. In fact, with tonight's event, tomorrow's Healthy, Wealthy, Wise, and Beautiful Women's Health Conference and Expo, our film with Michael Baisden, Do Women Know What They Want? And the Heart and Soul Awards tomorrow evening, Heart and Soul is also honoring the lives of every woman on a mission to have her life and the lives of those she loves and cares about reflect a commitment to becoming healthier, wealthier, and wiser. This weekend, Heart and Soul is working in partnership with several others to bring greater health and wealth to the people of Baltimore. We'd be remiss to begin this evening without recognizing them. First, we'd like to thank the University of Maryland Medical System, with whom Heart and Soul collaborated on all of this. Thank you to the University of Maryland Medical System, Ms. Donna Jacobs, and her whole crew. I'd like to thank you very much. Without them, this evening would not be possible in this whole weekend. With 12 Maryland-based hospitals, the University of Maryland Medical System is intimately familiar with the health-related challenges facing communities of color in this state.